Another day, another English lesson. Complex prepositions. Instead of, and, other than. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at two important complex prepositions in English. Instead of, and, other than. These phrases might seem similar at first, but they actually have different uses and meanings. Instead of is used when you want to talk about choosing one thing and not another. For example, if you usually drink coffee in the morning but decide to have tea, you might say, I had tea instead of coffee. It's all about replacing one thing with another. On the other hand, other than is used when you're pointing out something different or additional. Imagine you're talking about your favorite hobbies, and you say, I like reading other than watching TV. Here, you're saying that you enjoy both activities, but you're focusing on something different from what was expected. Summary. In this lesson, we learned that instead of is used to replace one thing with another, while other than highlights something different or additional. Understanding these differences will help you use these complex prepositions correctly in your conversations. Now, complete the sentences with instead of or other than. One. Instead of driving to work, I decided to ride my bike this morning. Two. Other than relaxing by the beach this weekend, she has no other plans at all. Three. He bought a new laptop instead of repairing his old one. Four. Other than a few minor scratches, the car is in excellent shape. Five. Instead of waiting for the bus, she chose to walk to work. Six. We decided to skip dessert instead of ordering our usual slice of cake. Seven. He has no plans tonight other than finishing the book he started last week. Eight. Other than a few broken windows, the building was okay after the storm. I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.